Leveraging design apps on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform unlocks new possibilities for existing SOLIDWORKS Desktop users. It's simple to save your designs to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform right from within your desktop environment, providing a secure way to both store and manage your SOLIDWORKS files. Once you've saved your SOLIDWORKS content, it can be accessed from anywhere on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, including design apps like Xshape and Xdesign. You simply need to search for the content you've uploaded and then drag and drop it into whatever app you may want to work with. For example, you can now take advantage of the powerful subdivision modeling capabilities found within Xshape. Start with your existing SOLIDWORKS design and reference it while creating new shapes and models. This expands the capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Desktop and opens up new approaches to design challenges. Likewise, you may simply want to take advantage of Xdesign and its easy-to-use and familiar CAD features from within a web browser. Whether you're traveling or simply don't have access to a computer with SOLIDWORKS installed. Both Xshape and Xdesign can access and work with your design data from anywhere with an internet connection in a web browser. When you return to your SOLIDWORKS desktop environment, you can access any components you've created on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform by simply searching for them. You can drag and drop these components directly into your existing SOLIDWORKS assemblies, where they will be treated like any other SOLIDWORKS component. SOLIDWORKS and design apps on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform empower you to change the way you work, creating completely new collaborative workflows and design possibilities.